It is gut-wrenching to see the last words in text form from the AT&T worker who was beaten to death on the job last week. And what's worse, how long it took for someone to get that message. Sayed Shabir is live with these new developments tonight. Sayed?
Well, Mark, when Kevin Mashburn was attacked early Wednesday morning, no one responded to his call for help for nearly 20 minutes. And police didn't find him for another 30 minutes after that. By then, it was too late. And tonight, his union reps want to know why it took so long.
Court documents released today describe the last moments of Kevin Mashburn's life. The overnight AT&T technician had been severely beaten with a pry bar. He locked himself in his utility truck and rapidly began sending instant messages to his dispatchers. The typos in his text are a clear sign of his urgency. At 2:52 a.m. he typed, "Amanda, I need you to call me an ambulance." Seconds later he said, "I've been attacked." His third message, "Help me, please." A minute later, he said, "I'm in Gladstone, Missouri at the Kendallwood apartment complex off Antioch." Getting no response, Mashburn asked, "Do you read me?" Mashburn waited. Alone in his truck with his head split open, he waited. 19 minutes later, his dispatcher replied, "I got it."
I'm sure that can't be standard. There had to have been some circumstances beyond it.
Joseph Blanco is the union president of CWA Local 6360. The union Mashburn was a member of for 41 years. He says the delayed response is beyond troubling.
There's a lot of people concerned that and looking to see how this is going to be handled. And trust me when I tell you that we're in close communication with the company to make sure that we can do everything in our power, working together to make sure it doesn't happen again.
Now, we reached out to AT&T several times today, but they declined to give any explanation for the delayed response because they say the investigation is ongoing. Now, we're also trying to find out why Mashburn didn't use his cell phone to call police directly. Detectives have not yet released those details. In the newsroom, Sayed Shabir, 41 Action News.